All right, so this video introduces Triton GPT as our AI tool at UC San Diego. For some of you, this is going to be your first time seeing the environment, so let's go ahead and take a little walk around. Um, the first thing I want to show you here is the assistants. So right now we have the UC San Diego assistant and the general AI assistant. If I click this See More button, it'll make available the other assistants that become available over time. So for example, the job description helper would help me create job descriptions, right? Aptly named. So once I'm ready and I've selected the correct assistant, I'm going to go into my prompt box. Again, that's this box down here. This is where I'm going to enter the question that I want to ask the tool. I might say something like, tell me about UCSD history, right? Um, a basic sort of prompt, and the tool goes to work. It says UC San Diego has a rich history that spans over 6 decades, founded in 1960 as an experiment in innovative education, et cetera, et cetera. So you can kind of see the pace at which it generates a response. If you've interacted with some other tools, you might experience this as faster or slower than some of them. One thing that I want to call out too is it's giving us little hyperlinks. So if you'll notice these little callouts, these little callouts here, this little one, sometimes it's a 2 or a 3, but it's going to link to them right here. So I can actually click on this one, and it's basically pointing me to the document that it referred to as it was trying to generate its response, which is pretty nifty. So if it's giving you information and it seems about right, you'll want to check out that response there. The other thing I want to note here is right about there is the thumbs up and the thumbs down. So if you get a response and it's really solid, we hope and encourage you to click the little thumbs up and tell us, solid response, exactly what I was looking for, response, right? That sort of thing. Similarly, if you get a response and it's not what you were looking for, you can give it a thumbs down. Now, what's really, really important about the thumbs down feature is that you tell us sort of specifically what kind of answer you were anticipating or where the correct information is. So if you know that the source of truth document, like the reference document, was somewhere else, you can include a link there, and that actually helps us in terms of getting the model, to be more consistent or get the kinds of responses that we're anticipating moving forward. So the only other thing I want to call out right now is if you're ready, when you're ready to start a new conversation, you can come up here to new chat. So this is where you would say, hey, I want to start a new discussion. I want to start a new thread. Because if I kept asking questions in that same thread, it might keep the context of my first question. What is UC San Diego history? That sort of thing. So that's a really, really quick introduction to Triton GPT, right? You'll first select the proper assistant, which gear do you want the tool to be in. You'll enter your prompt, you'll follow up if appropriate, and when you're ready, you'll switch over to a new chat, making sure to give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you're getting really solid answers or if you have some feedback on how the tool has performed. All right, thank you.